Everybody knows that the current prices of goods are insane right now. Coming to the market is one of my hobbies. I love shopping and I love getting affordable things that I know that my money can get. It makes me happy.
Last, if you sell it for 1.250.
Wow. Spending 25,000 naira is equivalent to spending $15 in today's markets. And that is what I'm going to be spending in this particular market. And I am going to be pricing some stuffs that I know that you would like to know how much that they are selling them. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Right now, currently, I am going to be taking you to the markets. And let's go, guys. And firstly, we are going to be going to the yam markets. I didn't know they have yam markets here. I've been passing here in Wasap Road and behold, I came to this. How do they sell? Rain don't come. One piece is like this now. How much now?
No, one piece is this one.
One like this.
This one, no, they say all of them are missing.
Okay, now they say one for this.
No, I see one for it.
So okay, how many now they come for here? 100.
100.
100 how much?
No, 100 na big money.
That's how much now?
This one.
The 100 pieces is how much? 450k. Then this one will be one now. How much?
You go select now. Now how many you want?
This one now how much?
This one. Now 335.
3,500. How much last? How much last?
3,000.
Last.
Yes.
3,000. How much last? Make I carry this one. How much will give me last? No, I get 2,000. See, I don't done. Which tea I be this, Oga? Okay, test now. I'll test my. This one hot, Abi. And it's done soft. I don't want strong. So I decided to go to the cow section and ram section to see what the prices looks like. And you'll be amazed and shocked that before we used to see cow of 200,000 naira, but now you can't see any cow that is 200,000 naira. The biggest cow ranges from 1.5 million naira, 1.7, even 2 million naira in this particular market right now.
Mama, you like this one?
That one a man or woman? That one will be how much now?
This one.
I beg go make you.
No, sir, this one will be 1.3 and this one 1.4.
Now be the last price.
No, not be the last.
How much be the last?
How much you will give me?
So like 700 no fee get.
700, let's get 700. No go reach this kind of time. As you say, no be now I want to give my number. Anytime when you want come, arrange it for you. Where you come, you me, I won't do everything koro for you. No be say I want shop only today. Me and you go day tea. Yes.
Well, at 1.4 now, be the last price.
Because I know being the last. I feel sell her for you. This one last. I feel sell her for you 1.250. This one 1.1.
That one a man or woman?
Now man.
Okay, I see her. Now man,
Yes.
that one.
If you know be now, you want time. Just I will give my number. When time reach, you call me. Before you come, I arrange that for you. You go choose. Before that time I say if you get ship, you know say cow market where they say it be like tomatoes please. Today if you see this kind one now 1.1, if you come tomorrow if you meet her.
Because of exchange rate and all of
yes.
So this one 1 point.
This one.
1 point.
This one is small now. That's why.
Which of the small one? This one when is this side? You know, she said this one even big 5.
This one.
Eh? Last.
Tell you say cow so so much now inside town. I like the lie.
You see 800.
I like it.
You see 950 like everybody. Okay, but deliver Allah. See this one give you 800. See that one.
No, I don't like this. So this one needs to eat more food, I beg.
I see.
That black one in a mitigate and that black one.
Okay. 1 million, 9 million last one.
No, I want to come here and be lost. Hey, that make like that.
On the house and say whether like 700 we come up to say no.
Kai ina ce in kira ka to mun da wake. Eh ko ne ya ce
that one. Ka je cikin gari 900. No body.
Wallahi na ga ma.
To see cow 700 na live the life. Dan ram. Only ram batara go see 800 wallahi. 700 one ram di. Highest way to see ram cow 800.
Markets are not smiling. So when I opted to go, they now told me they want to show me their goats and their rams. So guys, let's go and see what is happening with the goats and the rams. And in case you need any goats, live ram, live cow, live goats, please indicate on the comment section and make sure that you are subscribing to this particular video, guys. Woman. How much?
Pass. What is the entire group?
Okay. This one makes sense, so that one a man or woman? Eh, says he can't get body like woman. Only Suyara. What's in the Suyara? Beat them. Wow. Like this one, how much now?
This one give me 280.
280. It's still not bad though. Like $200. You go even fast.
Now you go this year.
How much is the last price?
How much you go pay last?
If you reach December now, this thing can't be how much now?
So I don't know.
Depends on what thing happen. Okay.
But there is 600.
How much you got the egg? This have not Tangerine. You know guys. See now green come even no go even.
Go sweet.
How be the cucumber? Get smaller one. Which one be 500? This one will be like me. This one how much? I want one again, but I don't go buy it like that. I need like 2. Eh? The 2 that can't be how much?
And the 2.5.
How many is there? 5.
5.
How many? How much?
I'll give you 800.
No, I carry the 5. Any other thing? Very correct, Gino. Sachet. How much? See? Okay, this one's how much? This one, how much you said that?
That's all of the
1,000 to 2,500. Now these buckets, how much they sell?
Which one?
This one's
4-5 ma. Best Derica, best tomato.
only the Rica. No get Gino.
I don't see okay or see Derica. Well, not 3, I don't see my phone.
Sell to your customer. The Rica. Okay. You're waiting for me? Are they here now? Oh, yeah, see me. I am here. This one can't be how much now? You stamp them? You put on stamp? Nah, I don't want even buy tomato with that amount. This pure can be how much? 3,500.
Nigeria, no matter how it's for better people speaking.
Like me.
For the government, even for the workers.
No,
Even for the street. I know they say breaking. Keep on 1 week.
sir, your turn no red, sir.
Keep on 1 week.
The person they run.
What's more with that?
And you see this tomato, you must put jara for this tomato. How much is that? No, you don't start, Abby.
Okay. 2,000.
This one 1,000. Okay, how many people want to buy? Okay, break. How much last? You don't start. This one how much? How much money now? Which one better? This one, okay, come on. Put 1,000 around. Hey, put one for me now.
This one.